Okay, so this is an experiment I'm trying out. This is my 10,000 mAh battery. I think it's 30 watt capable. Pretty cool. We're using it for the VR, but I thought, why not try it on something else? My next test is going to be if I can extend my Wi-Fi outside of my home. So I live in an apartment building. I'm on the 3rd floor, and I want to see if I could extend my Wi-Fi outdoors. This is an Eero Pro tri-band Wi-Fi 5 satellite slash route. I made it a satellite. It's an extended antenna to extend my network, and I want to see how far I could extend it to see if I could get better service instead of standing near my apartment building to connect to my Wi-Fi. See if I can actually use this and walk around with it. Sort of like throwing this in my bag and plugging this in. It does work. It does boot up and making the connection. When it makes the connection, I'll see if I get better service with or without this thing and how far I can go. Okay, speed test, 55 feet away, 3rd floor, without the extension. This is just my regular Wi-Fi. I have a Eero Pro 6 at my window, and I'm using an Eero Pro Wi-Fi 5 to extend my network outside. So I'm looking to get better service at the playground. I have 1 gig up and down. This is 55 feet away without the extender. Standard regular Wi-Fi, not too bad. Okay, 100 feet away. "100 feet away, normal Wi-Fi, no extender." "100 feet away." So I'm about 120 feet away, and this is as far as I can go. Anything further, I lose signal. It's just very unstable. It's right at the edge of the playground. I'd like to get a signal in the playground. So this is about 120, maybe 125 feet away. And if I need to connect to my network through my laptop, and I don't have my phone, and I need to access something on my NAS. Okay, so let me see what happens with the Eero. So I'm done. Furthest I got was 125 without any assistance. So again, I'm just going to take this. All info on these items will be below. Take this and connect it to the back here. Again, this is the Eero regular Pro. Takes a USB connection port. The lights just went on, and the Eero the lights should be coming on. So we just connected up the Eero, and I think that the maximum amount they want these devices from each other is 50 feet. I could be wrong. So I'm technically right now at about 120 to 125 feet away. The connection has been made. I connected to the app. It shows this Eero's online. This was my previous speed test without the Eero, without this extension outside. Again, I just put it in the bag for now. The grass is wet, and I put my 10,000 mAh 30 watt, I believe, battery pack plugged into the Eero, and it booted it up. The Eero Pro tri-band Wi-Fi 5. So let's try it. See if we get anything better. Signal looks better. Not that much better. Maybe we could get further away. Let's try the further away distance. Not much of an improvement. Let me just try one more time. I don't know if it's any better. Well, let me see if I can still get a signal further away, which would be the best, where to see if the Wi-Fi signal will extend further between nodes compared to devices. So I am now about 150 feet away. There's no signals. Usually when you lose connection between Eero devices, you'll get a red light. So nothing, it's still white. You can't see it because it's daytime, but there is a white light. Okay, let me test it now. There's still a signal. I couldn't get anything before on my regular phone. No Wi-Fi signal at all. So this is much better. At least there is a connection, not much. But you know, I came from a time when we were sharing among 100, 200, 300 people a T1 line. So, you know, that's 1.5 megabits per second, up and down. Try one more time. I mean, it's okay. If I need to get work done or connect to my Wi-Fi, I could get some things done. It's just more of a test for me. If anything, I'm rarely gonna actually need my Wi-Fi to extend this far. But maybe others are thinking about this for their backyards. Just like a temporary idea, like I did. You don't have to use that battery pack, you can use another one. But do everything at your own risk, okay? All right, so now we're 150 feet away with the Eero extender or satellite, whatever you want to call it. And let's try 200 feet away. No change in light status on the Eero, 200 feet away. And it's still good, okay? Works for me. I mean, you could stream, I think HD with 7 megabits download. I believe that's the, and that probably has gotten better since the last time I knew that was the rule. 7 megabits. It might have been 4K, so 4K or HD, you need 7 megabits. And I'm getting at least 10 and 6 at 200 feet away. Behind me is just a street, so I'm good. It worked for me. I'm using the Eero and I'm using the battery bank for other things, but it's nice to be able to use them for additional things if I ever come up to this issue. All right, so I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day now. Bye.